Several of the biggest challenges has been just public involvement and trying to get the public to buy into the project to begin with. We had a lot of people in the beginning that were skeptical of it, and they were just curious as to how this was going to affect them, how it was going to affect their business. The ADA compliance, this area has a lot of older buildings, and so there's a lot of difference in elevations. And so trying to get the ADA compliance put into this was also a big challenge. Well, we have two commercial areas. We have one at the intersection of I-70 and Main Street, and then we have another one just south. We really had no connectivity other than road, which was in need of major repairs, but we had no connectivity with bicyclists, we had no connectivity with pedestrians, and so this project was critical in trying to piece those two gaps together.
The parking was an issue, and the main thing that really affected us here was the railroad crossing. It was very difficult for traffic to flow through town. Since then, with the turn lanes put in, it's made it a lot easier for commuters to get through town. Now, back before the improvements, the railroad track, the cars would be stopped and they would back up all the way to I-70 and the exit ramp. So you can see what a concern that was for us. So now that all those things have been changed, we've definitely noticed a better traffic flow through town.
If you would have came here years ago, you would have thought this was a town that time forgot. And with these improvements, we have new lighting, new decorative street lighting. We also have obviously the sidewalks and the bike path and everything like that. But we're actually seeing commercial development wanting to be here now, and we're actually seeing people in the downtown. Some of those older buildings, people are coming in and making improvements, which is critical to our future. That's one of the biggest impacts that we've seen just after this project's been completed, is people are actually using it, and that's really exciting.
The City of Green Valley has worked tirelessly on economic development, and they've brought many new businesses into the city. Now the city is walkable, bikeable, and the three commercial areas are now flowing together to unite our community.